Hi friends, this is Soundarya UI designer. Today I am going to teach you Adobe XD new feature, that is a 3D animation. Let's see how it will work. See, here I am already created UI, so we can just start 3D animation. See guys, this is the option 3D transform. You can move to right, move to left, reverse. You can reverse also. See, and you can zoom it and move to left, right. You can zoom out and back of the screen. Everything is possible in this option. It's very easy and very smooth also. See, when we are giving animations, no need to go with other software. We can do it here only. So I am duplicating the screen now. So see, I am already in this gray image. In back side I have given 2-3 images. So see, it has to come like this, and second image has to appear. So we will see how it will come. Just see this, yeah, but background image is not visible, so we have to increase the opacity. This one, so I'm increasing that, looking that, and increasing the opacity. That's fine. Again, I'm duplicating the screen. Yes, here also same thing, same procedure I am doing. I increased opacity of second image and rotate it like this. Go to prototype. One screen, after that again I am doing a prototype. See this one, I think. Let's see. I think something happened. No, it's fine, right? Yeah, it's perfect now. No doubt in this. So we can go with next screen. Again, I'm duplicating the screen. Same procedure. Increase the opacity. And yes. Yeah, perfect. Prototype. Just play and see. And see, 0 to 100 I am giving the opacity. You have to observe that, because that smoothly it is appearing. So it will be very nice to see this. I hope you guys enjoy it, and you have to try this new feature. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.